So the product here we're going to test today is some string cheese. It's mozzarella string cheese, and kind of unique about this string cheese is it has a groove down the middle of it. Most string cheese is smooth on all sides, but these have a groove. What we did is we cut the groove. We weren't able to get the actual product, so we cut the groove similar to what is going to be used in the application. So we're just picking them up straight on and seeing how we can handle them. The setup we're going to use is a set of Ovo Bello 10 by 30 millimeter direct food contact cups. So these are constructed of an FDA silicone. They have open spaces in them, so there's no place really for food to get or particles to get caught. There's no creases or anything like that, and the material is blue because blue is not a really natural food color. So you can see it visually, vision systems or your eye, and the material also has embedded iron flake for metal detection as well. The fittings on it are stainless steel, so you can good for washdown situations as well. The generator we're going to use is kind of a custom one at the moment, but it's essentially a VGS with an SX cartridge. The SX cartridge is the same cartridge as used in the piCOMPACT line. This one is a single SX12. Gives us about 3 CFM of vacuum flow, and it assumes a little bit more than 1 CFM of compressed air. So what we'll do is we'll come down on top of the string cheese and pick it up and see how it handles. We'll grab across the groove, and we may not always grab on the groove, but that's going to be the worst case scenario. So you see we grabbed it there. We're actually in the middle of the groove. If you look closely there. And the cup is nice and flexible. Flexible lip there on it, so it's able to conform to that groove. So we'll grab one here with a little bit different cut. And there's a good visual of it right there, kind of conforming to the inside of that groove. Now we'll grab the flat side. Of course, the flat side works a little better. You can see the cup really conforming to the material. So even off-center just a little bit, that lip is still able to conform and have enough flow in the generator to be able to grab the string cheese. So I think it's a great solution.